guys, welcome back to another video. I'm really sorry I haven't uploaded a lot. I'm actually going to talk about that in another video. But today, I'm at a sleepover with my friends. My friend actually is filming, and my sister.
Because I'm the best filmer here.
Yeah. And
Go check out her channel, by the way.
my sister's going to give me fidgets, and I'm going to guess it what it is. So let's go.
My
First
fidgets.
First one.
Okay. I don't trust her, so I'm gonna go get a blanket.
No.
Fine.
Hmm?
There. You're nasty.
Well,
girl.
I wasn't closing my eyes.
Okay, close your eyes.
Ding dong.
Ow.
This is a huge ball.
I don't trust her.
What is wrong with that girl?
She's gonna put this on. No. There.
Ow! You poked my eye in.
Okay.
Your turn.
Okay. Can't.
Tube.
God. Jeez. Okay.
I have gum in my mouth. Fidget spinner, but it's a pop-up dimple.
This is. What does it mean?
Oh, it looks like a fidget spinner.
No, you can't. You don't touch it.
That's a dimple.
Okay. Close your eyes.
I am. Why did I get two things? Okay, so this is a dimple fidget spinner, and this is a
Something spinner.
it's a poppet, you know, and this is a infinity cube. Oh my gosh! Stop.
And pop it. Pop it.
Poppet and infinity.
Simple dimple.
I'm good at this.
I'm gonna see. You want me to? Can you give me fidgets now?
Yeah. Okay. Pause.